Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up your Metamask account for the first time. First of all, Metamask is a wallet or digital wallet for cryptocurrencies. So, in order to save your cryptocurrencies in a wallet, you will need any kind of wallet, but the most important one or the most famous one and the safest one is Metamask. So in order to download it on your browser or your phone or whatever it is, you just have to go, for example, to your Google Chrome or any browser, then go search for MetaMask. And from here, guys, you see this website. Now we click on it and we click on download. So here there is three options. If you have Chrome or iOS or Android. For me, I have Chrome, so I installed MetaMask on Chrome. Now they will take us to this extension, so we add to Chrome and add extension. Right after it's done, we wait a little bit, and now we just open this page, which is gonna be opened automatically, and click on get started, and then we agree. And here in this phase, they will ask you if you have already an account. So if you want to make an account, if you have already an account, you just click here and import your wallet. If not, you have to create a new wallet from here. Here you put your passwords, for example. So let's make a random password. I don't know, let's make like a random one. So this is for a tutorial. So let's make it here, and I have read and create. Right after that, they will give you this secret word. So this secret recovery phrase, you shouldn't give it to anyone, guys. It must be safe and not show it to anyone. So please, after you get this phrase, save it in a paper or on your PC, even though your PC is really dangerous if you got hacked. So save it on a paper and save it in a safe place. And yeah, this is like literally, this is like your password. There is password and there is this recovery phrase. This recovery phrase is the one that will help you recover your tokens and etc. if you change your PC or stuff like that. So yeah, guys, that's how you can set up your MetaMask account. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and thank you for watching.